Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to break down the ultimate body fits in DTI. Think little, glamour, sky high attitude, and runaway dominance. So if you want to know how to create this look, let me show you the steps. So to start, you can just go straight to the dressing room in here, and then you can put on this bra for the top. This one is for the from the reward items, and then you can put on the boots from the code items. This one, change the color into black, and for the shoe, combine it with another boots. This boots in here, use black color, and click on support patterns and just leave the rest of the color as it is. For the first boots, I'm going to make it longer like this, and then I'm going to use this skirt, first and second color black, and the third one I'm going to use this dark gray, last one black. And here I'm going to also use the sleeve from this dress to glitz into number 4. Remove the glitter and change the color into black. And here I'm going to also use this belt from the cowboy set and change the color into black like this. And let's put on also the eyelashes. Now the last two items to put on is this mesh top from the men section to glitz into number 2 and make it thick. And last one, the stockings, also number 2 and make it thick. And this is it, the body look for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.